Hi, I'm Kevin Jensen. I want to talk to you today about the three main issues that most people deal with when going through a divorce in Arizona. The first main issue that people deal with is obviously the divorce itself. Arizona is a no-fault state, which means the reason that you may want a divorce does not matter. It simply matters whether one party wants to get a divorce. As long as one party in the marriage wants to have the marriage dissolved, then an Arizona court will allow that to take place. The next two issues are the ones that are most often fought about. Obviously, the most intensely fought about issue in most divorces are issues involving the children, things like child support, custody, parenting time, etc. These are obviously very complicated issues that have all kinds of twists and turns that require expert attorney attention. For purposes of this video, I'll tell you that the things that are most often fought about are child support, how much should one spouse pay the other to help support the children, and how much time each parent gets to spend with the children. Whose house do they live at and spend the most time at? Each of these issues have several different factors that courts must consider before making those final decisions. And then finally, the third issue that most couples have to deal with in a divorce in Arizona are property and debt issues. Arizona is a community property state, which means that anything that the couple acquires during the term of their marriage, either debts or assets, are divided between the parties equally. Now, Arizona courts are required to come up with an equitable distribution of the estate once the divorce is finalized, and that can take on several different there's several different things the court can do to come up with that equitable distribution. Obviously, there are debts that have to be divided, retirement accounts can be divided, bank accounts, things like that. So as you can see, dealing with the divorce in Arizona is not a simple prospect. At the law offices of Kevin Jensen, we focus on each individual and the specific needs that they have in each case. We pay special attention to the children. I'm a father of 4. I think it's important to make sure that those issues are addressed above all other issues. But we're here to help in any way we can. That's terrible ending.